Well, it's that time of year and the yard's getting tall, so I've got to do some mowing and do a little repair. I've got an old John Deere lawnmower. Been trying to keep it alive each year, and got to replace the drive belt on it, and couldn't find any videos for my particular model on the web. So fixing to give this a try, and we'll see what happens. We're here with a LX 173 John Deere Lawn Tractor. Got to replace the drive belt to the transmission. As you can see, I think it's the original belt, and it is all but gone. And so we've got to figure a way to get it on there. So hopefully this will work out. First thing we're going to do is take off this guide arm right here for the steering, because that belt's going to have to get over that. All right, so this is the clutch right here. You can see it doesn't have its pad on anymore, but it goes to the tensioner, and when you release that, when you push down that clutch, you can see it loosens the belt. So I'm gonna find a way to secure that tensioner through the clutch and see if that helps me out a little bit. All right, so I've taken a bungee cord here and just going looped around the clutch, and just found a couple of places that I could attach into, and that's loosened us up real good in there. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'll take a 17mm ratchet, and I'm gonna take this little protective guard off so that I can slip that belt on here in just a minute. This may have to take this one off too to get to that one. All right, this one's gonna be 9/16. As you can see, this when I took that off, I didn't realize that actually is adjustable. So we'll have to try to get that back as close to where it was previously, and get that right so it'll function correctly. After loosening that up, it was pretty easy to just slip this over, and now that belt should come off. All right, I took the belt off the back first, slipped it over the pulley back here over the transmission. I had to come out of this little guide right here, and then now this should slip over the top here. And it looks like I'm gonna have to disconnect this be my next little obstacle. Okay, just takes a little figuring out, but this disconnects here. That's going to allow you to bring the cable on out, and then this bracket may have to come off. All right, one more headache. This little guide arm right here, I finally got through the grease and found the bolt for it. I know it sounds crazy. Some of these measurements I've given you are in English and some in metrics, but honestly, those were the ones that fit best for me. You may find something different. This one here though is a 13 millimeter. As you can see, this belt was in really bad shape. Again, I'm sure it's the original belt that came with the mower. Picked up the part today. M110367, John Deere. So, got it put back on. Everything looks good. Everything is back together that I took apart, except for the steering arm, and I'm about to put that back on and then give it a test ride. Well, mission accomplished. John Deere wanted $169 in labor to do what we just did, so hopefully that'll help, and good luck out there.